2 turkey breasts. I'm going to add some olive oil, Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, some garlic. You could smash it, shred it, dice it, do it however you like. The same thing for this side. And on the other side, I did forget to put the Knorr powdered chicken bouillon. Just sprinkle it on. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and put the bouillon, the chicken bouillon on this side too. Just a bit, not too much. Adding some butter. You could use real butter, use a butter substitute, use whatever you like. I have my burner on high. I'm going to cook this and sear it on both sides, and then we're going to add our barbecue sauce, cover it, and let it cook until it's fully done. I'm ready to flip this over. Add whatever barbecue sauce you love the most. For a little bit of heat, I'm going to add some hot red pepper flakes. I turned my stove to simmer. Now I'm going to cover this and let it cook until it's fully cooked. I am going to move it to the back burner because I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to make some whole grain rice delicious. Instead of following the directions on the box, I'm using some brown rice. It's instant whole grain, and this is instant, and I do the same thing with just regular brown rice. I'm going to cook it like I do spaghetti. And you also could keep in mind that you could buy the rice, boil in a bag, and you just put it in boiling water. So what I do is I cook this until it's nice and tender to my liking, and then I'm going to strain it, put it back in my pot, give it a toss, and you're good to go. So I'm going to cook this and boil it just like I would pasta. Stir this around. On the box, it tells you to cook this for about 10 minutes. I like to go a bit longer, maybe like 13 to 15 minutes, just a couple minutes more. And that's just how I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on a medium boil. I have some powdered Knorr's chicken bouillon, Himalayan pink salt, some black pepper. This is not necessary, but a squeeze of lemon, fresh lemon. Let's give it a stir. And let it continue to cook until it's done. Now that my rice has been cooking for about maybe 12 to 15 minutes, I like to let it cook a little bit longer because for my taste, I feel it's a bit more fluffier that way after I strain it. Now that I have all of the liquid out of my pan, I'm going to add the rice back after I strained it. I do have it on simmer because I'm going to toss it up with a bit of butter. You could use butter replacement. You could use real butter. Use whatever you like. Let me grab my butter back here. And I'm just going to add just a bit. Toss this around. I like to toss it around and just fluff it up a bit after I strain it with the butter. And then I'm going to turn it completely off. And cover it. And we're done with the rice. The turkey breasts have been on simmer and been slow cooking. I'm going to baste them one last time. They're fully cooked. I'm going to turn the heat completely off and let them rest for about 4 to 5 minutes. This is my barbecued turkey breast dinner. You could have any type of vegetable as a side. I have some grilled Brussels sprouts and of course my rice. This is so delicious. Try it out. You're going to love it. And I'll see you in my next upload.